believe this, but these simple kids animation videos are raking in millions of dollars every year for their creators. Still skeptical? Just check out channels like Little Margot Stories and Duck's Quest. With millions of views pouring in daily, Social Blade estimates they're earning over $2 million annually, just from ad revenue. And the best part? You don't need professional animation skills or a hefty budget to create videos like these. Thanks to AI, anyone can create stunning animated content in minutes. That's exactly what we're diving into today, how you can use AI tools to create viral animated stories for kids. I'll break it all down, step by step. Before that, take a look at these incredible sample videos created by AI. They're absolutely mind-blowing.
Greetings, mortals. I am Zeus, king of the gods, and today I shall explain the mysteries of AI.
Is that a new kind of owl?
No. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's like, a brain made by humans.
Have become the city's hottest influencers. They're taking over every iconic spot and every trend.
Warrior of the Frost Clan. For years I've trained, fought, and bled for my people. The elders have spoken. To become queen, I must...
Step 1. Idea generation. I know brainstorming can be challenging, so why not let AI do the work? Using ChatGPT, you can generate unique and engaging story ideas in seconds. Simply ask it for topics tailored to your target audience, and you'll have endless options to choose from. Look at these stories given by ChatGPT. You can pick any one story from them. I will select the second one. Now we will ask ChatGPT for a story prompt. Step 2. Creating the animation. For this, we're using InVideo AI, a total game changer. First, head over to InVideo and select the Generative AI V3 option. This is key because it's the latest and most powerful version. Now simply copy the text prompt provided by ChatGPT, choose video duration, theme, and platform. I'm choosing options like 1 minute, funny, and YouTube from the menu, then hitting continue. In just a few minutes, watch as it transforms into a fully animated video. Check out this incredible result.
In a magical forest glowing with fireflies and shimmering mushrooms, a shy child stumbled upon a golden, radiant egg. It pulsed with warmth, drawing them closer. Suddenly, the egg cracked, and out popped a tiny, colorful baby dragon with sparkling scales and a playful chirp. The dragon tugged at the child's hand, leading them to an ancient stone puzzle covered in glowing runes. Working together, tiny claws pointing, small hands placing, the puzzle lit up, revealing a hidden doorway. Beyond the door, a wicked sorcerer loomed, dark magic swirling. But the brave child held up a glowing artifact, and the dragon breathed dazzling flames. Together, they defeated the sorcerer and found the dragon's family atop a sunlit mountain. As the stars filled the sky, the child and dragon sat together, their bond unbreakable, their adventure unforgettable.
Step 3. Customization and editing. The magic doesn't stop there. InVideo AI lets you tweak every detail to make your video stand out. Adjust the voiceover pitch, add subtitles, or even translate the video into another language like Spanish with just a few clicks. Want to change an animation or make a scene more dynamic? You can do it all in seconds. Step 4. Publishing and monetization. Once your video is polished and perfect, download it and upload it to YouTube. Optimize your title, description, and tags, and don't forget to create a compelling thumbnail. With kids' videos pulling in massive audiences, every view brings you closer to monetization and steady ad revenue. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Tools like InVideo AI are revolutionizing how we create, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality professional animations. If you're ready to dive into the world of animated kids videos and start building a thriving YouTube channel, now is the perfect time to begin. Want to earn money from day one, even before monetizing your channel? Check out my YouTube video showing on screen for all the details. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jumpstart your AI-powered YouTube journey today. See you in the next video.